It's your big sis, Miss B, and you know what we do right here at Connecting the Lines? We help you win on the dance floor and in business. So you are in the right place if you're trying to do both, and that is what I do. So welcome to Connecting the Lines, and I'm so excited to see y'all for today's episode. If it's called an episode, but whatever. But today we are going to talk about something I have grown to love, as well as I want to help you make some coins. All right, so you might be wondering what I'm talking about. Every dance team needs them. Every dance team got to have them. My dance teacher told me your lashes should be to the heavens. So today we have some lashes that are to the heavens, darling. Ooh, look at those. Man, these lashes are absolutely beautiful, and I can help you make some money with them. So get at me below. But in the between time, we're going to get to this video. All right. All right, so I showed y'all these beautiful lashes right here, okay? Those are cute and everything, but, you know, we are artists. We are dancers, darling. We like to have something with a little bit more flash and a little bit more style and a little bit of bling bling. Look at those. Beautiful. Not only can you just not get them everywhere, but I have these for you. Yes, I have lashes like these. I have lashes like these. And finally, baby, these are the ones. Bam. Can you see them? I don't know if the glare is on. Ooh, how about this? We just gonna take them out the box because I'm gonna teach you how to put on strip lashes today. All right, so let me get this thing up out of here. So you can order these at wholesalefordance.com. Look at those. And these are not the only color. Hold on. Let me dig into my little bag of tricks. So, look at those. How they do it on YouTube like that. We're going to take these out the box too. These are pink. And if you didn't notice, the other ones were green. We also have orange, red, blue, purple. So many different colors that you can customize for your dance team. Isn't that awesome? Look at those. These lashes are so pretty, y'all. Matter of fact, let me see which ones I'm going to put on. Y'all like these? Oh, please get at me because these go quickly, all right? Because you can literally get them to match whatever your team colors are, okay? It'll help you. Hold on. But if you just want to keep with the drippy, we also have these. You see them on the tips? And these right here where the lash has the rhinestones right at the base. Oh, so pretty. So since I've already opened a few pair, I am going to open, or I'm going to put the green ones back. All right. And I am going to put on, you know what? I am a FAMU rattler. And if you didn't know, our colors are orange and green. So I'm going to do the orange ones, okay? I should have done the green ones since I already had them open. But I wore those last week at an event. And baby, when I tell you, I got so many compliments on them. Because it was a very formal event. Everybody was dressed up. And my lashes actually matched my dress. So it was just a whole nother, like, level of sauce, okay? So if you're trying to be a sauce queen, if you like these, make sure you go to Wholesale for Dance, place your order. The minimum order for these are 10. So if you have a dance team, go ahead and order enough. All right, so let's get into it. Get into it. Get into it. I don't really know what the song is. Look at that. I'm going to hold it like this. Can you see that? All right, so let's put these babies on. Look at these. These are so pretty. Look at those. How cute would they look with all of them with these wingtip lashes? All right, so I am going to put some hair glue right here. Don't judge me, judge your mama. Yes, I use hair glue for my lashes because last time I checked, it was hair, okay? All right, so we're going to dip these. All right. Get these situated right here, and I'm going to okay, they feel like they on there. Yes, auntie. A lash will do ya. Wait. All right, let's do the other eye. I've digressed. I'm sorry. Let's do the other eye. I shouldn't say ah. My mom be like, you sound so southern. Even though we from Alabama. But I grew up in the ATL, so it's all good because I'm from the South. Either way, you skin that coin. All right, now I try to use the tweezers, but this is how your girl usually do them. Just like that. Ooh. Ooh la la. Ay, chihuahua. Look at those. Pretty lash. Y'all go over to Wholesale for Dance. Make sure you place an order for your dance team. Specific colors are available. You can even get your boxes customized for your team name. If you would like to do this as a fundraiser, you can get your boxes customized. You can customize them to your colors. Whatever you want to do, guys, this is it, okay? This is going to change the game for dance teams because so many of us wear lashes. So many of us have to go get them and pick them up, and we running all over town. Now you can just place an order and you can have them in time. We do fast shipping, so you can have them in enough time to do what you need to do, all right? So with all that being said, your girl got her lashes beat. And you're probably going to see them in another video because I'm not about to take them off. All right. So anyway, it's your girl, Miss B, and I am so glad that you took your time to join me here on my YouTube channel. I'm sorry, our YouTube channel, because Connecting the Lines is for us. It is for dance teachers, dance educators, studio owners, dance mamas. If the baby want to learn how to run a dance studio or she want to learn how to put lashes on, I got you. All right. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I will see you at Connecting the Lines. Bye.